In my opinion, closed rhinoplasty is a procedure of choice to correct most noses. Here, an incision is being made between the cartilages in the tip and the cartilages in the mid-vault of the nose. This procedure is repeated on the opposite side, and the skin is loosened from its attachments to the cartilaginous and bony framework. This permits putting small instruments inside the nose to perform the procedure. An incision is being made through the lining of the nose and the cartilage of the nasal tip. This permits removal of what is called the cephalic margin of the alar cartilage so as to make the tip smaller. The procedure is repeated on the opposite side. The cartilages are of a similar size and design. The single small incision on each side is closed and the tip is visualized on profile. The prominence of the lower nose is corrected by removal of cartilage, which is placed back on the surface for demonstration. Removal of the cartilage makes the prominence of the nasal bone obvious. Now the nasal bone has been removed and is placed back on the surface of the nose for demonstration. Meticulous palpation and removal of cartilage makes the relationship between the bridge and the tip an elegant and desired result.